Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your PC to play PC games as well. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now no, we're not going to use cables or anything. All we're going to do is we're going to do it with a Bluetooth, because obviously PS4 controllers came without wires and it will wireless. So all you have to do is on your PC you have to just go ahead and then launch this settings application, and once you launch the settings you will basically see this kind of interface over here. And what you want to do is from the left hand side you'll find the option called Bluetooth and devices. Just make sure to click on it. Once you go to Bluetooth and devices, here you want to make sure to simply turn on Bluetooth, and once you turn on Bluetooth we're going to click on the button that says add device. And when we click on the add device button over here, we're going to choose the button that says Bluetooth. Now currently our controller is not going to show up just like that. We're going to turn on our controller, but not the normal way that you do when you turn it on for your PlayStation console. This time what we're going to do is we're going to press this PS button as well as a little share button at the same time to turn it on. So in PlayStation we only press this PS button, but on this we have to press the PS and the share button. So we're going to just go ahead and press it, and then we're going to wait until the light blinks up over here. So just go ahead and press it simultaneously, and as you do that you'll be able to see a light blink up, as you could clearly see over here. And as you see the light over here on your added device section as well, you'll be able to see this wireless controller. As you could see over here, you'll successfully be able to see after you do that. Now just click on this wireless controller, and after you do that your controller will get connected. Now just a little bit of bonus for you is that now you can see our controller has actually begun to work, because you can see I'm navigating without hitting the mouse pad, because I'm just navigating it with this, as you can see. Now what you want to do is, if you play Steam games, I have just a word of advice for you. That is to open up Steam, and then on Steam you have to go to Steam settings by clicking on Steam button and going to the settings option over here. And over here you want to make sure to come down to this little controller tab, and once you come to this controller tab, go to general controller settings at the top. Once you come to general controller settings, a new menu will open up, and over here you want to make sure to check this box that says PlayStation configuration support. So by default this is not going to get checked, so you simply want to make sure to check this manually. When you check this, now only then for Steam games your PlayStation controller is also going to work. And that's all it takes to connect your PlayStation controller to your PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.